Hello everybody, welcome back to Land Cloud Adventures. I am Nate, this is Dallas, and over here, Pippa dropping her ball, wanting to play. Today, we are going to Belly of the Dragon. I hope we survive. Dallas, you're coming with me. Are you excited? Dallas, are you excited? You wanna go on a field trip? You wanna go on a field trip? She's ready to go. Pippa, you're not coming on this one. She's a little scared. Here we are at the Belly of the Dragon. We're about to enter. Dallas, are you scared? Dallas is distracted by other people. You can look at her butt if you like. Dallas, would you say hello to the people? She never does what she's told. Wait. Uh-oh.
Hey, Bryce, look.
1 second.
You did it. Kind of. Look at you.
Okay, all the way down. There you go. Good girl.
Yeah. Come here. You can't come out that way. I'm not down there.
You're okay. Go on, Dallas. Can you find a way up? Go on. You'll follow me? Come on. You'll be okay. Come on. There you go.
Oh, sweet.
Hello.
Hi, you did it.
It's nice and cool in here for you, man. Jeez.
That's cold. I didn't realize. Have a good one. Good girl, Dallas. Lead the way. Hey. You made it through, Dallas. Good girl.
So we just went around here real quick. Oop, Dallas shaking. Sorry for the camera. And as you can see, the other side of the Belly of the Dragon is just a wash where the water flows. Let's get back to the actual tunnel. It's actually quite dark in there, so watch your footing. There's only one place that you kind of got to climb a little bit, but it's not really, it's more of a step up than a climb. Here we are. Dallas is excited to get back. She loves her field trips and her adventures. Oh, I hear other sounds. Did the other dog make it through? Oh, the other dog made it through. That's awesome.
Finally.
Did she do it on her own?
Yeah.
Or he? Is it he or she?
Yeah, it's a he.
He.
Nancy, let's get some on the way out. Oh. Yeah, listen.
Come on, Dallas. There you go, good girl. We are back from the Belly of the Dragon. We've survived, we made it. We still gotta get back to camp, but Dallas was a trooper. There was actually another, it looked like a blue heeler, German Shepherd type of mix that I guess travels a lot of places, but was actually kind of nervous getting down. Dallas did it just amazingly. The other thing, it's not a long stop. It's maybe a 10-minute, 15-minute pit stop on Highway 89 as you're coming into or out of Zion. So it's just kind of a nice break, stretch the legs, see something different. I really like this stop for that reason. We will see you guys all down the road.